As I mentioned earlier, the reason this is one of my personal favorite Boston whalers is its versatility. Fishing in the morning, cruising in the afternoon, it'll do it all. Here in the cockpit, you'll notice the amount of space you have for fishing. Nice open cockpit, rod holders starting up here on the sides, around the port and starboard side gunnels and along the back of the transom. 2 insulated fish boxes in the deck. Both are macerated. And then, of course, in the port side corner for your live bait days, you do have a live well. Very quickly, this boat will turn into a cruising boat. So grab the family, put them on board, take them to the sandbar, take them to the restaurant. So up on top, the first and foremost, especially down here in South Florida, shade is very important. You have the electric sure shade that's going to extend back off of your transom. When that's out, now you have covered seating for your transom seat. Very comfortable seat. You'll notice when I pulled it out, it's a nice deep seat. Backrest comes up, so it's very comfortable for the family to sit in. Here on the port side, you have a very overbuilt dive door. As this opens, locks into place so it won't swing back and forth on you. You have a nice grab rail that opens up. Your dive ladder has designated storage, but you grab it, put it into place. You have something to hold on to as you pull yourself out of the water. Coming up here to the midship, now you're underneath your fiberglass hardtop. You have a beautiful convertible seating area. Optional table that will drop into place. Boston Whaler won numerous innovation awards for this design. So this backrest is a multi-position seat. So you fold it forward, now you have more of a rear-facing lounge. And then, of course, you can go all the way down. Notice on your door you still have a padded backrest. And then this portion is going to open up. And now you have a backrest on this side. So whether you want to face forward by yourself, or you want to have one person on this side, one person here with an opposing seating arrangement, you can accomplish that. Very easily fold it back into place, center the backrest. Now you have a forward-facing seat and a rear-facing seat at the same time. Starboard side, you have an optional summer kitchen. The seat on this side is going to be standard with an insulated cooler. As we open this, it's going to reveal the electric grill. Notice this opens and you still have a nice cooktop, or I'm sorry, a prep station to place your food on as you prep it for the grill. Optional refrigerator down below. As you come up here to the helm station, this boat's well equipped. Single Simrad screen overlaid. This is the deluxe electronics package, so you have the acrylic backing. The Simrad is flush mounted with the Mercury vessel view for all of your engine data offset to the right. Very clean design, easy to use. All of your switches are right there in front of you at your fingertips. Mercury digital throttle and shift with all the great features, active trim, single lever, push button start and stops, and then a favorite feature of everyone, the Mercury joystick with the skyhook and auto heading. As we move forward to the bow, you have seating that continues. It's a nice deep area. Armrests on both sides. There are some optional features up in this area, so you can put a table here in the center of the 2 seats, and then also a filler cushion that will drop in the center to expand your seating to create a larger area. As you walk up to the front, you have a nice anchor locker. Notice your hatch is on a gas shock, so it stays open as you let your windlass in and out. Over to the right, you have an optional beach boarding ladder. So if you beach your boat at the sandbar in the winter months, water's a little bit cool, no need to use your dive door in the back. You can easily get on directly to the beach in the front. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch this video of the Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Feel free to give us a call or stop by with any questions, or if you'd like to see this boat in person. Our phone number here is 772-287-4495.